Good morning. Welcome to another Trading View update. Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen quite the corrective move over the last 24 hours, breaking through crucial support levels. Bitcoin now below 60, Ethereum trading in and around 4,200. Let's see how this move, or whether this move can continue, and how it's affected overall funding rates, liquidations, and a general sentiment in the market over the last 24 hours. So on Bitcoin, you can see that we broke through that critical support at it was like 63K or 62.7K. We've moved lower since then. We broke below 60,000 as well, and prices ultimately found support at the 50-day moving average, which is the first time that we'd actually tested this moving average since the beginning of October. You can see that from the previous bull run, when we've had a correction, this 50-day moving average has acted as a pretty reliable support level for those larger, multi-week corrections. So this is, to me, a pretty good sign. We'd like to see this hold. If prices, for whatever reason, do not hold and we continue to see a move lower, then we're looking at this 57.7K area, which is the 0.618 fib retracement from the September low and the November high. Again, if that level fails to hold, then ultimately we're looking at 54K, which seems to be kind of the general call in the market at the moment, these two support levels. And we can see that the 57.7K area has already been tested once at the end of October. So let's keep an eye on that. I would say that the funding rates are still a little bit stretched. They're starting to reset, but you can see that overall, since for the entire month so far, the funding rates are still very positive and all very one-sided, which does set us up for further corrective moves. The crypto fear and greed index still above 70, still showing greed, down from extreme greed last week, but still something bearing in mind. And the liquidations, indeed, that we've seen in the crypto markets yesterday, they were relatively high, at just, I think, about $900 million, but nothing compared to the liquidations that we've seen in the past. Look at the 5th of September, for example, where over $3.22 billion worth of long positions were closed across the entire crypto space. On Ethereum has held up a little bit better. We've broke back into that 2021 trading corridor. We've tested that middle of the trading corridor as support, which is also where the kind of the daily close from the 12th of May comes in. So this acting as a real nice area of support right now. The 50-day moving average still a little bit below at 4,000. So the same sort of level where the local top from September is starting to come into play. If we do see a further move downwards, this is the level that we expect to see tested, and would like to see hold. That's kind of the really important one. If we finally look at the fib retracements as well, for Ethereum, let's look at the September low and the November high. You can see, and furthermore, how the 0.618 level is coming in at 4,000. So you've got three indicators at 4,000, building a strong level of support. The 50-day moving average, the 0.618 fib retracement, and the local top from the 4th of September. So you can see this trifecta of indicators building a strong level of support. So in our eyes, if we see any intraday dip below 4,000, that would be a prime buying gift for Ethereum right now before we continue our move higher over the coming weeks. That's it from us. Have a good day.